Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave-forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Tuesday, May the 14th, 2019. The time is around 4 a.m. GMT. So today we're going to be looking at the chart of oil, 30 minutes chart here, short term. We can see this decline ended with 1, and then we have a double correction, or yeah, it is a double correction, WXY. Okay, and we ended this with 2 over here at 63.32, and that means we have started the next leg lower in the wave 3, right? So in the wave 3 here is going to be impulsive. The first decline looks impulsive, so we are looking for this bounce here right now, this EPC bounce to fail. Okay, to fail in 3711 swing below 63.32 for more downside. So we are looking for with 3 of 3 to start, which is going to be quite a move to the downside if it is really with 3 of 3, because that should be sharp, right? But we're looking for any bounce to fail below 63.32. Now, as to what level, well, of course, exact level is not really possible, but you can always use an area like retracement or things like that to get an idea. So for example, 50% retracement to 76.4% retracement is going to be around this area, if it can go there, of course. 61.98, so around $62 to 62.7 potential area to finish this correction or this wave 2. And now, of course, it can drop earlier than that, right? It doesn't have necessarily to go to all the way to 62, but as far as it stays below 63.3, it can extend lower, especially considering this looks impulsive right here. Okay, now looking at the higher degree a bit, zooming out, right here we got this 4-hour chart. Now we notice here that this cycle that starts from December 24, 2018, this cycle or this rally, 5 months rally, has ended, right? This cycle has ended. So we are now in the process of, at the least, should be correcting this cycle, right? Now this, so you notice here, this 1 and 2, that corresponds to this 1 and 2 in the 1-hour chart we saw earlier, right? You notice here this 1 here, there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So there's a 5 waves here, ending that with 1. Now technically it could be either with 1 or with A, right? Both are possibilities. So this could be ending is a diagonal, by the way, in case you guys wonder why wave 4 overlap with wave 1. I got a lot of questions about why is it overlapping. Well, it can overlap when it is a diagonal, okay, either leading diagonal or ending diagonal. You have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this one either ended, technically it can either end with A or with 1, and this could be with 2 or with B, right? So it could be with 2 or with B, and then so technically we do need to get a break to confirm that this is really your with 2 or with B. We do need to break below this low here, right? If we do get a break below this low, which we expect, then that will confirm that this is indeed your wave 2 or wave B, right? So technically speaking, until we break below here, we can do a double correction, doing something like this again before turning lower, right? Technically, until we get a break below here, this is a possibility technically, but okay, but if we look at the 1 hour, this move here looks impulsive, right? I think it is impulsive. It's not just it looks, it is impulsive, right? So this move is impulsive, which means that that kind of gives you a little bit more probability that this is really your wave 2 or wave B, because the reaction low has been impulsive from here. So if you got an impulsive move in the first leg, then I think it increases your chance that you will have more downside, right? And once we got a break below here, that will confirm to you that this 5 ways down is already in progress, and then it should go to at least, again in a zigzag ABC, you will expect C equal to A, so it can go to at least 57, around 56.9, right? 56.9 is your next target here, and that will be confirmed if we do get a break below the 1. Now again, like I said, even though we have not got the confirmation yet now, but we do get what looks to be an impulsive move after ending this 3 swing or 7 swing here, WXY correction here. So we do get an impulsive move after that. So that means as far as the current bounce fails below that, we got a chance for oil to start turning lower again and extend to the downside. Okay, so hope that this is helpful. And as always, we cover 72 instruments ranging from Forex, commodities, and indices. And we have 14 days free trial, so you can check our service if you want to see other instrument or if you want to see updates about oil or anything else. All right, thanks very much everyone, and see you all again next time.